Hi.
Video camera the last day up.
Well, I don't think they'll yell at me for stealing secrets anymore. Oh, actually, let's walk down this way. These were all partitioned off in offices for various things. At one point, the magazine was down here. They've had other things of documentation down here. Used to be a chip lab over here. They moved it. More dark corridors. Guess I should have got the deluxe camera. Well, see what comes out, comes out. Equipment over there for working on circuit boards and such. And here we're in the factory/warehouse. This used to be production lines and immediate storage. Usually had 3 production lines going. There's a chip lab in there. Up there, up the stairs is the new QA department. That'll be locked. It's a big place. Close to being too dark for this, but I just got the Herman Miller furniture laid out here now. There were production lines here. There we go. Now, this leads back to the warehouse area, which is big, 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 and empty, empty, empty. I think the bigger ones shut off. People were roller skating in it. It is most impressive, but you take what you can. I just thought about doing this morning. It wasn't like I made big plans for rooms to be opened or anything. Big warehouse back there. Some more small warehouses. And good roller skating too, I suppose.
Closing up shop for the last time.
I have mine too. You're going to be at the what's his name, aren't you?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
Yeah.
Mine's lower than you, bigger than you today.
Yours is bigger than mine?
My cat, yeah.
Video machine.
Ooh, competition.
Yes. Carolyn, all you do is pop the label there and pull that off.
Carolyn.
Paste it down.
Bye. Earring. They started cleaning out a while ago. All the partitions and furniture pretty much gone. The records are in those files.